I'm Jeff Leonard.
Explain yourself.
I'm Jeff Leonard with Plastic Industries, OER. I'm here at the SEMA show 2022, and we are a company that manufactures and distributes restoration products for mostly American cars from 1930 to about 2012, and mostly the 50s, 60s, 70s. More are considered muscle cars or trucks for those particular years. So we manufacture an array of different items, including lenses and sheet metal, interior products, door panels, emblems, moldings, glass, almost everything you need to restore your car you can pretty much get from Plastic Industries and OER as a manufacturer. So if you ever need parts, plasticindustries.com will pretty much take you where you need to go and give you everything you're going to need for your particular model. With over 80 different models to choose from, certainly there'll probably be something that we have for you if you're looking for some particular part. Thank you.